This is a great way to create shade. It's a simple shade arbor, and it's particularly nice when you have mature vines like this that completely surround the area, providing you all type of nice flowers and a nice comfortable environment. Now there's a lot of other ways that you can create shade just like this. Extending the roof line of a house works well to create needed shade outdoors, but this is a large, expensive undertaking that requires serious planning and design skills to tie in to an existing structure. Another option that requires less of an investment is an awning because it attaches directly to the house without any major alterations. The retractable versions offer a little more coverage, and some have motorized mechanisms to extend and retract the awning. Still, the arbor is the most flexible and do-it-yourself friendly shade option because it only needs to support itself and the greenery that covers it. The design should give the plant something to climb on in summer, but also look good if they die back each winter. A misting system will offer cooling almost immediately. These things work on the simple principle of evaporative cooling. When water evaporates from liquid to gas, it uses up energy or heat, which leaves the area around it a little cooler. You often see these in commercial applications like restaurants which have outdoor seating areas, but the most simple of the do-it-yourself systems work on ordinary household water pressure, cost less than $100, and can be installed in less than an hour. Some kits, like this umbrella, come ready-made with misting nozzles so that all you have to do is connect them to a water hose and turn them on. They only cool a small area, and they tend to be more effective when the humidity is low. But even when the humidity is as high as 80%, they do offer some relief from the heat of summer.